Which, finally, takes us to the main subject of this video. Insert tooling. About time, too. Now, I thought about this for a minute, but don't think there's a real clear linear way to present this, so I'm just going to jump right in. There are, though, a few important things to keep in mind when getting into insert tooling. First, any one of them would work. Sure, there are a million different styles, shapes, colors, and flavors, but new, they all cut. The real question is usually which insert is best suited to what you'd like to do and the equipment you have. And this is the part we'll probably talk about most. Second, the fundamental physics are identical to what we talked about in high-speed steel video. Clearance and rake, etc. They're exactly the same except someone else made them for you. You just want to be sure to pick the one that you need. And finally, probably the hardest one, try to get the good ones. I know they're expensive, but in the long run you'll save time, frustration, and probably money. Trust me, I threw more money away at the cheap import junk than I care to think about. Probably the single most popular question people have is where I get my nails done.